Chicken and waffles, a dish that's crispy, sweet, savory, and iconic. But did you know this beloved American classic has a history full of twists and turns? Today, we're diving into the origins, the surprising facts, and the evolution of chicken and waffles. Let's dig in. First up, let's talk about the origins. Many believe chicken and waffles started in the South, but its history is a lot more complex. The earliest known version of this dish actually traces back to 1600s Pennsylvania, where German immigrants, known as the Pennsylvania Dutch, served fried chicken with crisp waffles as a Sunday treat. However, the modern version we love today has roots in the African-American culinary scene of Harlem in the 1930s. Here's a cool fact. Chicken and waffles became famous thanks to Harlem's jazz clubs. After performing late at night, musicians and their fans wanted a meal that wasn't quite dinner or breakfast, and voila! Chicken and waffles became the perfect compromise. Did you know waffles were once a status symbol? In the 18th century, waffle irons were expensive, and only wealthy households owned them. Pairing waffles with fried chicken elevated the dish into something fancy and indulgent. Chicken and waffles may be an American classic, but it's inspired dishes worldwide. In South Korea, you'll find fried chicken paired with sweet potato waffles. And in Belgium, waffle houses often experiment with savory toppings, inspired by this iconic pairing. Chicken and waffles have left their mark on pop culture, too. From being referenced in rap songs to appearing in popular shows like Parks and Recreation, this dish is a symbol of comfort and indulgence in American cuisine. So, what's the secret to perfect chicken and waffles? It's all about balance. Crispy, golden fried chicken with juicy meat, paired with fluffy waffles that have just the right amount of sweetness. And don't forget the syrup. Drizzle it on both the chicken and waffles for that signature flavor. Did you know different parts of the US put their own spin on chicken and waffles? In the South, you might find spicy hot chicken paired with buttermilk waffles. Out West, people love adding avocado or even jalapenos to their waffles. These days, chicken and waffles are everywhere, from fine dining restaurants to food trucks. And chefs are getting creative, adding toppings like honey butter, bacon, or even mac and cheese. The possibilities are endless. Chicken and waffles don't always have to be fried. Some recipes use baked or grilled chicken for a lighter version of this dish, making it a little healthier while keeping the flavor intact. Chicken and waffles are often considered a staple of soul food, which grew out of African American culinary traditions. Soul food combines comfort, resilience, and history, reflecting the resourcefulness of African American cooks during times of adversity. This dish is a beautiful example of blending sweet and savory to create something extraordinary. Here's a surprising fact. Waffles have ancient origins. While the crispy waffles we know today came much later, early versions can be traced back to ancient Greece, where flat cakes were cooked between metal plates. Fast forward to the 19th century, and the invention of waffle irons brought waffles into American households. Did you know that in early American history, chicken was considered a luxury ingredient? Before industrial farming, chicken was expensive to raise and often reserved for special occasions. Pairing it with waffles turned an everyday food into something truly indulgent. With modern health trends, chicken and waffles have been reinvented to cater to different lifestyles. Gluten-free waffles, air-fried chicken, or vegan versions using plant-based chicken alternatives are becoming increasingly popular. Now, everyone can enjoy this classic dish. Some restaurants have built their fame around chicken and waffles. Roscoe's House of Chicken and Waffles, founded in Los Angeles in 1975, is perhaps the most famous. It's been visited by celebrities and featured in countless films and TV shows, becoming synonymous with the dish. Here's a fun debate. What's the best topping for chicken and waffles? Some people swear by traditional maple syrup, while others prefer honey, gravy, or even hot sauce. The beauty of this dish is how versatile it is, letting you customize it however you like. Did you know chicken and waffles are making appearances in unexpected places? You'll find it on breakfast menus, brunch buffets, and even as gourmet sliders at weddings. It's no longer just a late-night meal. It's an all-day delight. Food trucks have embraced chicken and waffles in creative ways. You'll find it served as sandwiches, tacos, or even bite-sized appetizers on skewers. Some food trucks experiment with fusion flavors, like Korean barbecue chicken paired with savory scallion waffles. Want to know the secret to next-level waffles? Some recipes add a pinch of cinnamon, vanilla, or even buttermilk to enhance the flavor. These small tweaks can make a huge difference in creating a waffle that perfectly complements crispy fried chicken. Chicken and waffles is more than just a meal. It's a cultural icon, a history lesson, and pure comfort food all in one. What's your favorite way to enjoy it? Sweet, spicy, or with a twist? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more delicious stories from the world of food.